KeKe again, nigga. On that straight ass second flow shit. These niggas know how we do on the second flow, bitch. Real niggas do real shit. You boys on my hit list. I ain't the Twin Towers, I'ma rise like Biscuit. Your girl be having bitch flicks until she getting this big. She calling me and not you. They got you niggas real sick. These bitches ain't my property, but expect a lot from me. She saying that is love, but I'm saying baby you're not for me. Under the philosophy, stack it up like Monopoly. All I see is green like the Celtics eating broccoli. Bitches think they bad, but to me they done fell off. Smoking on this strong and I can't get the smell off. Got devils on my back and they need to get the hell off. Couple niggas locked up, I'm hoping they don't tell off.
Pockets full of stones, cause I'm all up on my paper. Money comes first, then these hoes coming later. Swag got the ass to give a fuck about no haters. I'ma earn my money, I'm not asking for no favors. I'm like Reggie Miller to the Pacers, like I'm Madden to the Raiders. Under pressure, I'm the Lakers. Don't compare me to no fakers. Duffel bags, we throwing bricks, and we ballin' out Phoenix. And them dimes are selling quick. I'm not stopping till I quit.
The streets ready and waiting, going in, no hesitation.
No.
Nigga ain't got no patience.
No.
No doctor, no patient.
Got a fine bitch who an Asian. We get big money like the Lakers. Smoke kush out the switch.
That loud.
Color ass the lake.
Talking shit, I ain't no savior. Thank God for all my haters. I'm a greedy ass nigga. All I want is the paper. If a nigga can't get it, best believe I'm gon' take it. Got a chopper throwing bullets like that. Every time I fuck your bitch, she drop down and fucking praise me. And shouts out fucking raise me.
Shouts out to your old lady.
The Mercy gang, that's what I fucking bang.
Bang.
Yeah, I bet the red and green. Yeah, I'm finna bang. Bang and I swing. Ho, the Cadillac is grain. Ho.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, got the wood grain. Look insane. Ho. Hell yeah, I be on the mic every fucking day.
Yeah.
Paru 31st and gang. I rep that shit every day. Tryna get this money made, and I'm tryna make it great. Hell yeah, I'm in college.
AUAPB, man.
I don't give a fuck, but I'm steady down here trapping. Every day I'm in the booth, up and tryna get the rapping. Every day I'm in this thing. I be on the fucking name, and you know the game. That's it, man.
Yeah.
That's it.
Hell nah, that ain't it. Got a truck full of bricks.
Me and my nigga DD on this second flow. Niggas talking shit, but you get your fucking wig split. Got my nigga BK and the Satch off in this shit. Represent Phillips County till the fucking day I die. Smoking purple kush every day. Bitch, I stay high and I stay fly. Out here flipping on these ganja sets. Niggas talking shit, acting like that they on that pack. When you catch me on the track, tryna make my money stack. Niggas talking shit,
But I hit 'em with the chrome X.